Number 1. 1986 Chevrolet Silverado half-ton long bed, $7,300, Minneapolis, Minnesota. This red 1986 Chevrolet Silverado is a well-kept square-body pickup with a strong ownership history. Garage kept and never driven in Minnesota winters for over 30 years, it benefits from excellent rust prevention. Powered by an inline 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission, it also features new brakes, dual fuel tanks, newer tires, and a fresh battery. The red cloth interior remains in very good condition, while the long bed setup adds both practicality and classic mid-1980s Chevrolet truck style. Number 2. 1949 Chevrolet 3/4 ton flatbed, $4,500, Madera, California. This 1949 Chevrolet flatbed is a solid post-war work truck with strong restoration potential. Located near Fresno, California, this truck benefits from a dry climate that helped preserve the body structure. The upgraded 235 cubic inch inline 6-cylinder engine is a respected Chevrolet power plant, known for its reliability and smooth low-end torque. Combined with the 4-speed manual transmission, it delivers a true vintage driving experience. The newer fuel tank and clean title are valuable bonuses, while the minimal rust inside the rear cab keeps this project manageable. These advanced design Chevrolet trucks remain highly collectible because of their iconic rounded styling and simple mechanical design. Number 3. 1940 Chevrolet 1-ton flatbed, $4,500, Nunn, Colorado. This 1940 Chevrolet 1-ton flatbed is a genuine pre-war workhorse that still retains its original engine. Trucks from this era are becoming increasingly difficult to find in running condition, making this example especially interesting for collectors or vintage truck enthusiasts. The seller states the original 6-cylinder engine runs great, which is impressive considering the truck's age. Good tires and usable seating make it a strong foundation for either preservation or restoration. The classic flatbed design, heavy-duty frame, and authentic styling represent Chevrolet's durable commercial truck heritage before World War II. Number 4. 1956 Ford F100 truck, $17,000, Sparks, Nevada. The 1956 Ford F100 is one of the most desirable classic pickup designs ever built by Ford, and this example offers an appealing mix of vintage style and upgraded power. Finished in white and equipped with a 390 cubic inch V8 and C6 automatic transmission, this truck has much more performance than its original factory setup. The small back window cab is especially sought after among collectors because it gives the truck a cleaner, more traditional appearance. With approximately 55,000 miles on the engine, this pickup could become a very rewarding custom cruiser or weekend classic with further refinement. Number 5. 1954 Ford F100 original driver, $16,995, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1954 Ford F100 is an attractive, mostly original driver with tasteful updates. The rebuilt 6-cylinder engine and 3-speed manual transmission preserve the truck's authentic character while still offering smooth operation. The newer paint and reupholstered seat improve presentation without removing the truck's vintage personality. Located in Santa Fe, New Mexico, the dry southwestern climate is another positive factor for long-term preservation. The 1953 to 1956 Ford F-Series trucks are among the most recognizable American pickups ever built, and this one appears to be an honest classic that can be enjoyed immediately. Number 6. 1958 Ford F100 shortbed pickup, $17,500, Harrisonville, Missouri. This 1958 Ford F100 shortbed combines classic styling with dependable upgrades for modern usability. Originally from Arizona, The truck likely avoided the severe rust issues common in many Midwest vehicles. Under the hood is a Ford 302 V8 paired with an automatic transmission, creating a much more relaxed driving experience than the original setup. The seller recently replaced several brake components and installed a new fuel tank, which are important improvements for reliability. The original straight-axle front suspension keeps the truck's authentic driving feel intact, while the rare short bed configuration significantly increases collector value. Number 7. 1977 Chevrolet C10, $20,000. Petaluma, California. This 1977 Chevrolet C10 appears to be a clean and well-maintained square body pickup with strong California pedigree. Purchased from the original owner and backed by maintenance receipts, this truck likely received proper long-term care. The square-body Chevrolet trucks from 1973 through 1987 have become extremely popular due to their timeless styling, simplicity, and excellent aftermarket support. Being smog compliant and ready for sale in California is also important because emissions compliance can be difficult with older trucks. With only 50,000 miles listed, this C10 would make a comfortable classic cruiser or dependable weekend truck. Number 8, 1985 Ford F250 long bed, $900, Chillicothe, Ohio. At only $900, this 1985 Ford F250 represents a very inexpensive entry into classic truck ownership. Powered by the respected 351 Windsor V8 and backed by an automatic transmission, this heavy-duty long bed pickup has strong potential despite its rough condition. The seller mentions a likely carburetor vacuum leak and exhaust issues, but the truck reportedly remains structurally solid, aside from rust near the rear fenders. The new Brawler carburetor from Summit Racing is a valuable addition. This truck is best suited for someone looking for a budget restoration project, work truck, or parts donor. Number 9, 1963 Ford F755 cab and chassis, $7,500, Plymouth, Indiana. This 1963 Ford F755 is a unique medium-duty truck with impressive mechanical upgrades. The rare Ford 332 cubic-inch big block engine, produced for only a few years, adds considerable interest for collectors. Paired with a Muncie 5-speed manual transmission featuring a granny low gear, this truck was built for serious hauling capability. The upgraded aluminum radiator, modern power brakes sourced from a 2015 Ford Super Duty, and aftermarket gauges significantly improve drivability. The conversion to modern Dayton wheels and large commercial tires also increases practicality. This is a fascinating blend of vintage commercial truck styling and updated functionality. Number 10. 1987 Chevrolet 2500 regular cab long bed, $4,200, Newark, Ohio. This 1987 Chevrolet V20 3/4 ton 4x4 is a rugged square body truck built for serious off-road and work use. Equipped with a throttle body injected 350 V8, headers, and a heavy-duty new venture NV4500 5-speed manual transmission swap, this truck has been upgraded beyond factory specifications. The NP208 transfer case, full floating rear axle, quad front shocks, and dual fuel tanks make it especially capable. Cosmetic condition may be rough, but mechanically this truck offers strong utility value. Square body, four-wheel drive Chevrolet trucks continue to rise in popularity thanks to their durability and classic styling. Number 11, 1974 Ford F100 Custom, $6,000, Clarksburg, Pennsylvania. This 1974 Ford F100 Custom is an unfinished project with solid potential. Powered by the original 302 V8, The truck already received some engine work before the owner lost interest. The automatic transmission currently needs repair, but the included new parts and patch panels could save the next owner both time and money. The 1973 to 1979 Ford trucks are known for their tough frames, simple mechanics, and excellent parts availability. With the right restoration effort, this could become a strong classic daily driver or mild custom build. Number 12, 1968 Ford F250 pickup, $4,500, Riggins, Idaho. This 1968 Ford F250 is a solid and mostly original heavy-duty pickup powered by the respected 360 FE V8 engine. Paired with the T18 4-speed manual transmission and 3.73 rear gearing, this truck was designed for dependable towing and hauling. The seller notes that it starts, runs, drives, and stops properly, which is always encouraging for an older truck. Only 3 small rust spots are mentioned, suggesting the body remains relatively solid. The 1967 to 1972 Ford F-Series trucks are highly desirable because they combine classic styling with more modern drivability than earlier models. Number 13. 1983 Chevrolet Shortbed, $15,000, Monroe City, Missouri. This customized 1983 Chevrolet Shortbed pickup is aimed at buyers looking for a classic street truck rather than a factory original restoration. Powered by a built 454 big block V8 and automatic transmission, this truck likely delivers substantial performance and aggressive sound. The shaved doors, custom-cut bed and tailgate, and high-quality green paint indicate a serious custom build. The unfinished interior allows the next owner to personalize the truck to their taste. Square-body Chevrolet shortbed trucks remain one of the hottest segments in the classic truck market, especially when combined with big block power and custom styling.